Hello friends and welcome back. It's been a hot minute, but I'm back. We have 30 subscribers. Woo! I don't know how, because I've been saying that I was gonna post more and I don't deliver, so but your girl's back. Spending a little extra time on my skin prep. Today we are going to start off by taking this Rosewater facial mist to hydrate our face. This will help all of the serums to adhere to my face. Want to create a good barrier between my skin and my makeup. Taking the Dermae concentrated vitamin C serum. We are going to be taking the Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Serum. e.l.f. Holy Hydration Face Cream to moisturize. I feel glowy as hell. After we have prepped the skin, we are gonna go in with brows. I get a ton of questions about my brows, and it's fairly easy. I just take this Pears transparent soap that I got from Dollar Tree for $1.
Wow.
A spoolie and the NYX Lift and Snatch pen and facial mist that I used for my skin prep earlier. I like to use a facial mist instead of water and a setting spray, just because I don't want my eyebrows to look crunchy and crispy as hell. No one wants that. So just take your soap, spray a tiny bit, and take your spoolie and go to town. Brush up your brows. So I do have a fairly full brow. I don't like to over trim or over pluck it, because I like a fluffy brow. So once they're semi-dry, that's when you can start to shape it by combing some of the hairs down. I like it slanted. It gives that really feathery brow effect. So we are going to be taking the NYX Lift and Snatch pen, and we're going to create some fake brow hairs in the tiny gaps, because I do have some bald spots in my eyebrows. Ain't that pretty? So just go over the gaps of your brow. Very light. See? It creates the brow effect. Sometimes if there are areas where it's a little bit too dark, I just like to take the spoolie and just comb it, look more slightly natural. Into foundation, taking some in the back of my hand. I like to take it little by little because I don't want a full coverage look to the point where I look super cakey. I want my skin underneath to peek through the foundation. We're just slowly building it, taking thin layers at a time. But if you want more coverage, you can definitely add more layers. We are just going to be patting this down with a dry beauty blender. Help the foundation melt onto your skin. Alrighty, Roo, we are now ready for concealer. I don't like to layer too much concealer onto my face. Put one dot in the inner corner, one dot on the outer corner, like that. No sponges, no brushes. I just take my finger and blend. This method actually helps with preventing creasing. The heat on your fingers is like melting it into your skin. Damn! A few days ago I posted a TikTok about how my makeup grew over time, and then I asked you guys which looks I should recreate. Today's first look will be this blue eye look. Around the time when Euphoria was popular, so this was my Euphoria look. So for that look I actually use the James Charles palette, but we don't support the P word around here. The Oishi palette from Otaku Baby. Look how cute it is. Taking the shade Ramune. Ramuni. Babe, how do you pronounce this? Ramune. And we're gonna put that all over the lid. So I've already done one eye off camera. You're just going to be patting the color. Can we talk about the pigment of this? Creating the wing shape. We are going to be blending the blue up a little higher, just right above the crease of my eye. Now taking this light blue liner from Bowitki liners and this Glisten brush in the number 3, I'm just gonna create a graphic line on the from the wing to the middle of the eye. This is gonna take some focus, so quiet on set please. Thank you. Starting out from the outer corner, creating that wing. I just want to keep it thin as possible. Ta-da! Here's the first look done. I did the gems and the lashes off camera because if I didn't, this would be an hour-long video.
A few moments later.
Excuse me. Into the skin. It's okay. Hello. If I can edit it properly, then it will be in this section right here. How do you pronounce this? Ramune? Ramuni?
Ramen?
I guess. It's Japanese though.
Yeah.
Oh. Ramen. Here is the first look done. I added the bling and the lashes